Seats, spark seats.
I'm Kevin Blackmore. Stage name, Buddy What's His Name. I played with Ray Johnson and Wayne Chalkenbarn Party for about 40 years. So Buddy What's His Name and the Other Fellows is the thing that I did the most. Way back a long time ago, Wayne Chalk decided I should play hockey with the old timers. That was the year I turned 50. So this is a song about the boys I play with. Benja's a dancer, 3 times she's been cancer, had 4 bypasses too. Dean got new knees, he knows what it means. One bad run could take his legs were good. Ed got quit smoking, he couldn't take the joke, and one fast run made him blue. But none of us say whether we got complaints, 'cause nobody cares if you do. But we're all waiting for those winter evenings when we forget the worries of the world, remembering Hull and how we grab our sticks out, we dance life's ballet on ice. Oh, it's 30 to 40 years or more since most of us were in our prime. Older and wise, and no one relies on a skill that's not knitting us a dime. Grey lords of movement, but room for improvement, and frozen water, we're all the same. Sweating, grinning, laughing, and a little fancy passing, dancing life's ballet on ice. But once or twice a week on those evenings, we clip on pads and lace up our skates. We take another crack at disproving the fact